Yes, H&Z is a management consulting company, and we are focusing on three major areas. The first is strategy and performance management. The second is procurement. And the third, our core topic, is transformation and learning. My role is being a partner at H&Z for transformation and learning.
I'm a senior project manager for transformation and learning projects. So for our presentation, we took a case for us, a project from a big client, and we took the core of it and we really took what made this project special, and this is about breaking barriers. So if you break those barriers, you get a better learning culture.
Well, you can contact us for sure via LinkedIn, via our webpage, and you can click on the button at the exhibition booth.